So watch this video to the end so you can learn how you can make yours by yourself. Okay, it's very active to treating your skin and lightening your skin. Okay, so and also glowing your skin. So if you want to know how I make this, make sure you watch this video to the end and don't forget to subscribe. Hello guys, today's video we're going to be making a coffee scrub whitening and treatment scrub. This scrub helps to treat dark spots, stretch mark, green vein, white patches, damaged skin. So if you have a damaged skin, if you use a particular product that damaged your skin and you want to revive your skin back, if you want to treat your skin, you can use this scrub, and it also helps to open your dead skin coils. But before that, if this is the first time of stopping by, hi, my name is Fresh Beauty World. Welcome back to my channel. Please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell below so you'll be the first to be notified each time we drop a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for your support. Like, I really appreciate it. God bless you guys. Okay, like I said earlier, we're going to be making a very active body scrub. This scrub, caramel skin can use this scrub, hot chocolate skin can use this scrub, 2 to 3 shades can use this scrub. Is very active in treating and lightening and whitening the skin. Okay, and remember, for you to get that whitening skin from scrubbing, you need to leave it to stay on your skin for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, not just scrub and wash it off. Okay, so let me go ahead and introduce all the ingredients to you guys so we can proceed. Okay, so like I said earlier, this is a coffee scrub. So of course we're going to be using this brown sugar scrub. This is it here. We're going to be using this brown sugar. This is 5 kg and we're going to be using 6 of them. Okay, so this scrub is very okay when you want to treat stretch mark, but not using it alone on your skin. You have to mix it with something. Okay, so we're going to be using 6. Of course, we're going to be using this Vip Gold coffee and coconut whitening scrub. This scrub on its own is very active in treating spider vein, wrinkles, edges, green vein, edge spot, pimples, stretch mark, dark spot. So it's very active, like it's very active treatment scrub. So we're going to be using 1 in this production. This scrub, you can use it alone on your skin, but if you want it to be more active, you need to mix it with something, okay, to activate it. Okay, so we're going to be using 1. So the next we're going to be using this shower gel, Iduro shower gel. This is it. This contains a lot of scrub. Like if you open it, you will see that it's very rough. Okay, so it has a lot of sugar inside, so it helps to open the dead skin coils, and it also helps to lightening the skin. So this is very okay. If you don't have a shower gel you're using for now, you can give this a try. It's very okay. It helps a lot to open your dead skin coils, lightening your skin, treat blemish and dark spots. So we're going to be using 1 for this production. I'm going to go ahead and introduce our powders that we're going to be using for this production. So the number 1 powder I'm going to introduce to you guys is the cinnamon powder. Like you guys know that cinnamon powder is very good in treating pimples, dark spots, acne, green vein, stretch mark, white patches. Is basically for reactions, and it also helps to lightening the skin. Okay, so if you have pimples on your face and you have acne, dark spots on your face, you can mix this on your you can mix this with turmeric and other ingredients to get rid of them and apply it as your mask. Okay, so we're going to be using this as well. We're going to be adding 3 spoons. I'm going to be taking the measurement, so don't be scared. The next powder we have here is turmeric powder. You guys know that turmeric powder is very good in treating dark spots, stretch mark, green vein, white patches, blemish, and hyperpigmentation. Okay, so we're going to be using turmeric powder in this production. Next one we have here is neem powder. Okay, if you guys know that neem powder is very good. It's very good in treating pimples, dark spots, grooving, and hyperpigmentation. So we're going to be using it in this production. The next one we have here is camwood powder. Guys, I don't make production like soap and scrub without this powder. Is very good in treating your skin, reviving a dry skin, opening your dead skin tone. It's very good. It has a lot of treatment. Of course, we're going to be needing cocoa powder. Yes, we're going to be needing cocoa powder for this production. Like I said earlier, this is coffee scrub. Okay, so we're going to be needing cocoa powder. Cocoa powder helps a lot in treating the skin, brightening the skin, and also helps lightening the skin a bit. Next one we have here is lemon peel powder. So this is it. Lemon peel powder helps a lot in treating the skin, reviving a dry skin, and treating dark spot, green vein, and hyperpigmentation. Next one we have here is rice powder. Okay, so we're going to be using rice powder in this production. So I'm going to go ahead and introduce our oils, fragrance. We're going to be using this oil for this production, which is pure almond oil, to help to moisturizing your skin. If you are exfoliating your skin, it's not only going to whiten your skin or only treat your skin, it's also going to help to moisturize your skin and give you that glowing and flawless skin. Okay, so we're going to be using almond oil. So we're going to be using whitening grassling for this scrub. Like I said, this is a whitening scrub. If it's a lightening or just a treatment scrub, I'm not going to be putting this. So but because it's going to whiten the skin as well, so we're going to be putting whitening grassling. Of course, I'm going to be using coconut oil, pure coconut oil for this production. Of course, we're going to be using tea tree oil for this production. Tea tree oil helps a lot to treat dark spots, eczema, hyperpigmentation, and it also helps to revive a dry skin. So we're going to be putting the drop of this. We're going to be putting a skin perfector serum. This is a whitening and treatment oil. This is how it looks like, and it's very affordable, very affordable. Okay, so we're going to be using one for this production. Like I said, this is a whitening and treatment body scrub. And you're going to be surprised. This is a palm kernel oil. Okay, so we're going to be using palm kernel oil to make this body scrub. This is not a regular body scrub, you know. Like, this is a treatment and, you know, lightening and whitening, depending your skin. If you have a sensitive skin, this will be a whitening to you, or if you have a hard skin, this will be a lightening and glowing to you. Okay, so we're going to be using palm kernel oil. This is direct from village, not from this Lagos. This is their aparaco, you know. So this will help to moisturize the skin. Like, I don't need to start measuring the works because it's very much, like, it has a lot of benefits. Okay, so we're going to be using palm kernel oil for this scrub. Here I have my fragrance. This is a banana fragrance. I'm going to be using fragrance so it will smell nice. Because I have my propylene glycol, this will help to make the product penetrate to your skin. Okay, so this is all the ingredients we're going to be using. So let's start making this. So go ahead and pour all my scrub on my brown sugar. Guys, if you want to make this, do not use just ordinary sugar, use the brown sugar. Okay, only if you don't want to follow the the recipe, fine. But if you want to follow this recipe, do not use just ordinary sugar. Okay, make sure you're using brown sugar. It's very important, because this brown sugar on its own has a lot of benefits. Like, if you want to treat stretch mark, if you want to treat a damaged skin, if you want to revive your skin, if you want to treat, like, guys, it's very good. This brown sugar alone is very good. So make sure you use this instead of the just white sugar. Okay, So like I said, we're going to be using 6. We're going to be adding our Vit Gold coffee and coconut whitening scrub. Like I said, this scrub on its own is very powerful. Like, it's very active if you want to treat your skin, lightening your skin. Okay, so we're going to be using this scrub, though it's a bit expensive, but no choice. That's how it looks like, charcoal. It smells nice. Add our powders. Okay, this is our lemon peel powder, and here I have my 15 ml spoon, measurement spoon. So this is it. 1, 2, and here I have my rice powder. If you don't want to buy this rice powder, if you don't want to get this outside, you can do this by yourself. There is nothing, they don't mix anything, but some people do mix. So if you don't have a right vendor that sell organic raw materials, you can blend this by yourself. Just get the rice and dry it, and you don't even need to dry it. Here, just get rice and blend it. That is your rice powder. They don't mix anything like activating or not any other thing. Okay, so if you don't trust your organic seller, you can do this by yourself. So we're going to be using 3 spoons. 2, 3. Next one we're going to add here is our cinnamon powder. Guys, try to get the original one, okay? Oh, sorry. 1, 2, just 2 spoons. Next one is our turmeric powder. 1. Whoosh. Okay, sorry. 2. So the next one we have is our camwood powder. We're going to be using just 1 spoon. 1. Next one we have is a neem powder. We're going to be adding just 1 as well. Just okay, it's not enough. Okay, just 2 spoons. Cocoa powder. This is original cocoa powder, so make sure you get the original cocoa powder. Do not go and get the mixed one. All these, they are mixed one. I'm going to add 4 spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, what we have is our miracle powder. So I did not introduce it to you guys. We're going to be using 2 miracle powder. Like you guys know, miracle powder has a lot in treating all kind of reaction. So I'll go ahead and mix together. We have our skin perfector serum. We're going to add everything. We're going to add our tea tree oil, just a drop or few drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we added 7. And we're going to add our sweet almond oil. Make sure you get original almond oil, please. We're going to add 4 spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have our coconut oil. We're going to add our coconut oil. We're going to add 3 spoons. 1, 2, 3. Remember, we're using 15 ml, right? So we added 3 15 ml of coconut oil and 4 of pure almond oil. Don't forget. Here is my whitening glycerin. If you want to make this scrub for just for treatment, you don't need to add this whitening glycerin. Okay, we're going to add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Palm kernel oil, I'm going to add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, we have our honey here. We're going to add half of this. This is 250 ml honey, so I added half of it. So this is my shower gel. Okay, this is the shower gel we're going to be using. I'm going to add everything. Remember, this has a scrubbing inside, like it contains scrub, so it exfoliates and also lightening the skin. I'll go ahead and mix this together. Please do not add water into this production, please. Don't add water. Okay, so this is how our scrub looks like, and I'm going to go ahead and add our fragrance into this. Okay, let me first add our propylene glycol. Like I said, this helps to make the product to penetrate to your skin. So we're going to add this too. Here we have our fragrance. Wow, this fragrance smells nice. We're going to add to. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. I just hope you didn't lick this scrub while using it. It's very, very good, man. So you just go ahead and mix everything together and your scrub is ready. Okay, so your scrub is ready and you know how to use this scrub, right? Just use it to scrub your body and let it stay for at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It depends. If you don't want it to lightening or whitening you, if you're caramel skin, you can just use this to scrub your skin, just to open your dead skin coil, to correct your skin and just wash it off. But if you want this to whitening you, I'm making this clear, right? If you want this to whitening you, then let it stay for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you wash it off. Okay, so if you have dark knuckles, if you have a stretch mark, if you have green vein, this is the right scrub you can use to correct it. Okay, as you can see, I did not add much, and you can use it for body and face. Okay, this is sugar, this is not salt. Okay, so this is the end of this video, guys. I won't forgive you if you watch this video and learn something and you did not subscribe. I'm not going to forgive you. Even my spirit, even your own spirit is not going to forgive you. So please and please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and subscribe for your own good and for my own good. Please, I'm begging you. Just click that red button, okay, so that each time and turn on the notification bell below, so that each time we drop a video, they're going to tell you that, hey, your girl has dropped a video, go and watch. Okay, so this is all about this video. See you in my next video. You guys know I love you, right? Bye.